how you solve something like this, where they give you 3 to the power of 2x equal 9, and the question is to find the value of x. Equal. So guys, this 9 here, it's the same as this 3 to the power of 2. But remember, if you have 3 to the power of 2, that would be 3 times 3, that equal 9. See? Yeah. So we express 9 like this, so that we can make the base look the same and drop it away. Okay, 2x equal 2. We drop the bases away. Dropped it away. Drop the base. Now this look easy. Okay, 2x divided by 2. What you do on the other side, you do on the other side as well. 2 divided by 2. Here it will be equal, it will be x. 2 divided by 2, that equal 1. So the answer is 1. That is the value of x, 1.